Hello everybody! Hayden Youth Worker here, and
Welcome back!
in this self-isolation period that we're all experiencing. Am I going crazy? No.
Oh, hi there, you cool cats and kittens. This is Carol Baskins from Big Cat Rescue.
Today's video, we're going to be doing a cartoon workshop. I'm not going to make you an expert overnight, but I will give you the skills and knowledge that'll get you on your way. So, sit down, relax, and enjoy the video. You calm there, Barnaby?
I'm sunbaking!
Alright, let's get to it. Find a space where you can sit down and do some drawing. You can have a drawing book, which is great, or A4 paper, just as good. Some pens and pencils, textures, and some water to stay hydrated. My first lesson is the power of yet. Now, some of you watching are probably saying, I can't draw. That's okay. I want you to keep saying that, but promise me that after you say that, you're going to say the word yet. I can't draw yet. The first hurdle to get over is knowing that it's going to take time. Not right now, not in 5 minutes, but you will get there. I'm not good at drawing yet. Drawing is a skill that develops over time, so just keep at it. Keep looking at your drawing book and see the progress that you're going to make. Artwork develops over time, just like this character. The second lesson is practice, practice, practice. Now, you're going to make mistakes along the way, and that's okay, because we're practicing and we're learning. Always keep in your head, yet. You are still on your way, you're still on your journey. Find characters that you like, that bring you joy, and try and have a go at drawing them. Now, break down the characters into shapes. See, this character here, well, he's more of just a rectangle with a couple of circles. This character ain't too scary. Look, just another circle there, straight line there, line there, 2 rectangles there, and see how it starts to give shape. It's really just a whole bunch of different shapes all together. Find some simple characters that you can draw, such as the ones I've shown here. You don't want to go too complicated yet. So our first real class is getting over the fear that you think that you're actually not going to be good at this. Just remember the power of yet. I'm not a good drawer yet. It gives you a sense of you can overcome this. The second is practice, practice, practice. No one will get this the first go. If you can, take a picture of what you're drawing and send it to us on our Facebook page. We would love to see all the progress that you're making. Look out for more cartoon workshops on this page and for the workshops that we run at Singleton Youth Services.